What's up? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ill Will. Well, first off, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. So that's the first problem. Second problem is I have a 3-hour drive to get to San Francisco, meeting some people. We're gonna do some photography in San Francisco finally, because this whole pandemic has thrown away basically my whole summer. So I'm ready to shoot some photography and finally get to San Francisco, which I'm only like 2.5 to 3 hours away from. So we're about to do that today, and then we're gonna go do hopefully I'll see the Golden Gate Bridge, and I'm also going to meet some people that I'm supposed to be doing some clothing photography for. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get on the road, give me a coffee, go to Starbucks, do my thing, and yo, just come ride with me. Yo. I've made it to San Francisco. As you can see, the Golden Gate Bridge behind me. Yeah, it was about a 2-hour 45-minute drive from Lemoore, Fresno area, so it wasn't that bad. No traffic. I don't have to worry about traffic because it was 3 in the morning, so it was actually perfect. So now I'm just about to go, just waiting for my friends to arrive, and we're gonna just shoot some photos in the city, probably get some of these sunrise shots of the bridge, and then I guess we're gonna go from there. So yeah, I'm just waiting on them. Get to the places you want to get to, so to get there, those shots from the Golden Gate Bridge, I'm pretty happy about it. So next we're going downtown San Francisco and see what else we can get, man. San Francisco is pretty much wide open, so headed back to the car now, and hopefully we can get some good street shots. I know it's usually always clogged downtown in San Francisco photography has pretty much become like commonplace for everybody right now. So hopefully I can get some good shots downtown for you guys, my street photography fans. And yeah, I really appreciate y'all rocking with me on these vlogs, man. Telling the content, I really do appreciate it. So till next time. Yeah. Hey yo, so I was gonna do some more for my vlog today in San Francisco, but unfortunately it's just way too much traffic. I didn't think it was gonna be this much traffic. So hey man, I'll come back in like a few days or a few weeks and I'll get some more footage, just some street photography for you guys. I got some pretty dope shots, I think. If you don't already, go ahead, add me on Instagram at @illwillmedia, and that's on Instagram, YouTube, and on TikTok. I'm trying to get in the flow of TikTok, but hey, just go ahead and add me on all social media platforms. That's your boy Ill Will. I appreciate y'all rocking with me today. I appreciate all the likes, all the comments, all the wonderful words of encouragement that y'all put on my pictures and my photos and my videos and my reels and all that stuff. So y'all have a blessed weekend. Stay COVID free. Put your mask on. I got mine. So it's your boy Ill Will, and I'll holler at you. Yeah.